Hey everybody, welcome to Rainy Hoover. I'm going to post a before picture of this job and then a few progress pics and kind of show you where we are now and what's going on with it. First thing we had to do was, remove the tarp, obviously, and drain the pool. We wanted to put a new interior finish in. We're taking the plaster out and putting in Pelletech, new tile, new coping. And then took the concrete deck out, obviously, and coming back in with travertine. And one thing you may notice too is they had a wooden deck on the backside. And let me walk around there and kind of show you what's going on. So I didn't fully understand why they had the wooden deck to start with, but when we started pulling the permits, we realized real quick that there's an easement through here for the power line. So what we did was built the retaining wall directly on the easement, and then we're going to elevate this all with travertine, and I will update you soon.